In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build knowledge base articles in Freshservice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, organize, and publish a clear, helpful article that your team and end users can find and use quickly. We'll begin inside Freshservice, in the Solutions section. This is your knowledge base hub. From here, click Add New and choose Article. That opens the article editor, where you'll do the bulk of your work. Start by entering a strong, descriptive title. Think about the exact phrase your audience might type into search. For example, use action-oriented titles like Reset Your VPN Password rather than something vague. Then move to the content area. Write in short, scannable paragraphs, and lead with the solution or the most important steps. If it helps, explain the why behind the process, so users feel confident they're in the right place. You can format text, include images, and add lists to make the instructions easy to follow. Keep tone consistent and avoid jargon unless your readers expect it. Next, choose the category and folder. Categories are broad containers, while folders help you drill down into specific topics. Placing your article correctly here is one of the best ways to improve discoverability. Ask yourself where users would naturally look for this information, and keep similar articles grouped together to maintain a clean structure. If needed, upload attachments. These could be reference PDFs, screenshots, or other supporting files that add clarity. Only include what's necessary and make sure documents don't contain sensitive information. You can also add tags to improve search. Use common synonyms, product names, and error codes that your audience might try. Keep tags relevant and concise so search results stay clean. When you're happy with the content, click Save. This preserves your work and allows you to review formatting and placement before it goes live. Take a moment to skim the article as your users would. Check the title, confirm the category and folder are correct, and verify that images or attachments display properly. Once it looks good, click Publish to make it live. Your article is now available to the audience tied to that category and will appear in search results. If you ever spot something to improve, you can return to the article, edit the content, and save your changes so it stays current. That's it. Add new, write your content, choose the right home, optionally add attachments and tags, save, and publish. With a solid title and clear structure, your Freshservice knowledge base will quickly become a go-to resource for your users.